What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be reviewing the Biofusion Escape today from Dynamic Discs. First of all, special thanks to Rising Am Disc Golf for suggesting this disc to me. Right up here's the comment. He commented on one of our videos, said I might like the Biofusion Escape, so here's the review. Yeah, so when it came, I threw it a couple times and I immediately kind of liked it. Yeah, so basically this disc is good for, I don't know, it's not super flippy for me, it's just a little bit of flip, kind of fast actually, which is nice, not too big of a rim either. Yeah, so when I threw it, it just seems to just kind of go far, just push, like I said, kind of fast and pretty glidey too. Yeah, and then it just has a little bit of turn for me, just to get that maximum flight out of it. So, yeah, as far as the flight ratings, speed 9, yeah, that's probably about right. I would maybe even give it speed 10 or something, but speed 9 sounds about right. Glide 6, you know, plenty of glide in there. Yeah, that's about right. Turn, negative 0.5. Yeah, sure. Maybe give it like a -1 turn instead. It's not super flippy, but it flips. And then maybe not actually though. Fade of 2. Yeah, that sounds about right. So yeah, I like this thing for backhand and forehand actually. I tried it on forehand and it seemed to just goes well with me. You know, I don't know, it just feels good in the hand. And when I throw it, just kind of goes far. And I really like it for forehand and backhand. Yeah, I've really been loving this disc for just my distance shots. I haven't thrown it a lot yet, but yeah, I really like it for my distance backhands and just, it's not super overstable, but yeah, it's not super understable either, so I can just trust it. And it'll go nice and far for me. Yeah, so like I said, for forehand, it's good too. Just kind of goes far for me. I don't know why I like it so much, but plastic is nice too. Biofusion plastic. Yeah, I don't know. I just, overall, I like the disc pretty well. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you're throwing about 300 feet or so. It's just a great disc. Just a little bit of flip and then pretty fast too, so it'll go pretty far for you. Good feel in the hand too, the Biofusion plastic and not too big of a rim. So yeah, I really love this disc. Link in the description to buy this disc if you're interested. Definitely check that out. It's definitely worth buying, I would say. I wasn't really expecting anything great out of this disc. I wasn't necessarily expecting to bag it, but I think I'm gonna bag it just for my, you know, just standard far shots, far drives. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're new. Also, we are doing a giveaway once we reach 50 subscribers. We're gonna give away, as pictured here, we're gonna give away a Evolution Line link from Discmania signed by Eagle and Simon. So definitely get your friends to subscribe and subscribe yourself if you're not already, so that you can win a disc. Click here to subscribe and click here to see the latest video. See ya.